What's your name?
My name is Elsa.
Elsa, how old are you? How old are you? Okay. What color do you like?
Another
What animal do you like?
elephant.
Elephant? Okay. Elsa, look at the board. What letter is it? F. F. F is for?
Fish.
F is for?
Fox.
Very good. What letter is this? This one. Q.
Q.
Q is for?
Is for queen.
And?
Q.
Very good. What letter is this? What letter is this? G.
G.
G is for? This one. This one. What is it? Goat.
Goat.
This one?
Witch.
Okay. What letter is it? This one. H.
H.
Is for?
How.
And?
Hat.
Okay, good. Next. What letter is it? This one.
I. Action.
And?
Insect.
Good job. Next. What letter is it? This one. J. J. J is for?
Catcher.
And?
Drum.
Okay. What letter is it? K. K is for? And?
Kite.
Yes. What letter is it? This one? L.
L.
L is for?
Lion.
And?
Lamb.
Lamp.
Lamb.
Okay, next. What letter is it? M.
Lamb.
M is for? Quickly, Elsa. M is for? Moon.
Moon.
And?
Now.
Okay, next. What letter is it? N.
N.
N is for?
No.
N is for?
Number.
Okay, next. What letter is it?
O.
O is for?
I.
O is for?
Onion.
Yes. What letter is it?
Is a
P.
P.
P is for?
This one.
P is for?
P.
Yes. What letter is it? This one? Double.
W.
What is it? Whale.
Wheel.
This one? Elsa, look at this. Wall.
Wall.
Okay, next. This one? What letter is it? Elsa? Elsa, look at this. Whoa, it's a zebra. Look. What is it?
It's a zebra.
Okay, and? Zoo.
Zoo.
Okay, Elsa. What do you see? I see a pink. Quickly, what is it? Pink pig. Say it. I see a pink pig. Next, Elsa, what do you see?
I see
Brown Goat.
Goat.
Okay, next. What do you see?
I see a rabbit.
Okay. What do you see? Blue rabbit.
Blue rabbit.
What do you see?
I see a
White.
rice.
Okay. What do you see? I see
I see
a
a
red and white
rice.
rooster.
Rooster.
Okay, what do you see?
I see
A brown
brown
horse.
horse.
What do you see, Elsa? I see
I see a
orange
orange
hen.
hen.
What do you see? Elsa, what do you see?
I see a
Gray
gray
goose.
goose.
Okay, high five, Elsa. Yes.